The headline here is RV vacations are beating the prices of hotel stays this summer. So this is an outstanding option for your family. This is a camper van that you've got.
Okay.
Take a look inside there, because what you're getting for $269 a night.
Sink.
You've got a little kitchen, you got a bed, you got two people comfortable with this. Not only that, this camper van also has its own toilet, but it's also got a shower, which is pretty incredible inside of that. Now, Outdoorsy.com, that provided this to us, also says that, you know, this is the time to book because summer vacations are filling up. And one way to save on gas, obviously, you could use an electric vehicle. This Rivian is an electric pickup truck that's on its way out to market that, you know, some lucky people are getting it now. But considering that a pickup truck will get about 12 miles to the gallon, this is the equivalent of about 70 miles to a gallon.
Doesn't have the power that my Ford F-150 has.
Baby, it's got the power. But we can do a race later on with it.
We can do that later.
Rachel, good morning.
These Airstreams are adorable.
How cool is this?
I don't want to leave. I don't even want to go in the studio.
So let me ask you something. How cool would it be if, for now, your next RV rental, you don't mess with any of the setup? You just order it as delivered, and that's what you can do now. You go to Outdoorsy.com, click delivery, and 60% of the rentals there in over 4,800 cities will deliver the RV all set up like this, so you just arrive in style and have fun, and you leave, and no gas prices for you.
Do they make these bigger? Because, like, literally, like, 2 of my kids would fit in here.
I know, you got a big family. So this right here is about $144 a night. The average rental for an RV, camper, or trailer is roughly around $250. And of course you can get the big monster motorhome, which would be appropriate for you. And guess what? At the end of the day, you bet your money you're gonna save on your family vacation overall, no question.
I agree.
Now, Will's with what we call the Happy trailer. This is this is brand new. This is a 2022. This is a well, it's a futuristic trailer that it may not look like it, but if you go inside, can you see how a family of 4 can actually sit inside this?
Look at the window.
There are 2 queen beds inside, and again,
hey, look at this. Whoa.
Oh, your family could fit in here.
I'm trying to figure out why Will got the big one and I got the small one.
Well, because you don't have kids.
Look how nice that is. Look how adorable that is. So very efficient. You got an
So I can cook like
everything
this.
you need for any sort of vacation. You pick the destination. They deliver the trailer, the motorhome, or fifth wheel, as you say, the larger ones.
Yes.
And then, you know, that's the way to do it. And then, oh, by the way,
this is really fun.
So you got the kids.
This is a fun way to do your vacation.
And save money. And the memories are tremendous. Behind you, Lawrence, look at this. This right here is the magic to the whiny kids and the people that still want to work while they're on vacation. You can go far, far away. This is SureCall's Fusion to Go 3.0 RV. This mounts on the outside of the RV. This goes on the inside. It boosts the signal so you get Wi-Fi out in the middle of nowhere.
So we can do our Fox and Friends live shots from the camper.
You're used to that, Lawrence. You've been around the world, and we've had you on.
What he said is just for your kids. So even when you unplug, you can plug your kids back in, is what he said.
Oh, is that how that goes?
Oh, look at the dad jokes.
He does not like this idea.
No plugging in when you're unplugged in the
Right.
I agree.
Go do the math. Go online, CyberGuy.com. Outdoorsy is what you want to look at. And just see. Just poke around. Go look at this. It's worth it for this summer.
All right,
Yeah.
cool stuff.
I love it.
Thank you, Kurt.
Cool stuff.